Hey my Vika Twisters! This month I decided to make spooky balloons. So I'm going to make a series of mini boxes teaching you how to make spooky balloon creations. So this box is to teach you how to make a very cute but spooky pumpkin. I really hope you guys enjoy this series, and if you want your very own Vika Twist Halloween edition boxes, they are in this description box below. There is going to be more spooky creations, so please, please, please keep checking them out. Okay, we will get into how to make this Halloween pumpkin right now. Let's do it. To start our pumpkin balloon, we're gonna need a 260 Qualitex orange balloon, and we are going to stretch it first, then pump it up to a 5-finger tail. So I'm gonna bring this nozzle all the way to the bottom and pump it up, and then check my tail. Okay, 5 fingers. I'm gonna burp and tie. And then squeeze and stretch. Okay, we're gonna start off with a 4-finger bubble, and I'm gonna do a 4-finger wide bubble because I want my pumpkin to be a little bit taller. So 4-finger bubble, and then we're gonna make a second 4-finger bubble. So I'm gonna bring that down, and now I have 2, and I'm gonna do a lock twist. So I'm gonna take this nozzle in and twist it in right here. And then I'm gonna take this nozzle and I'm actually gonna push it through the middle so that way it's secure. Just like that. And then I'm gonna make a third 4-finger bubble. Make sure it's the same size. Like this. And now I'm gonna do a 3-bubble body roll. So that means I'm gonna push it through these 2 in the middle. So I'm gonna push through the middle, just like that. And then I'm gonna bring it down again to make another side of this pumpkin. So what you're doing is basically the exact same thing over and over and over again, just making this pumpkin bigger. So I got this 4-finger bubble, I'm bringing it to the top. And right here at this nozzle, I'm just going to push it down a little bit so that way it stays next to that top point. And I'm gonna make another 4-finger bubble and bring it down again. Oops. 4-finger bubble. And push it through the top. And I kind of pull it so that way it kind of goes through the top. And then I pull the ends so that it's more secure. I'm gonna squeeze and stretch my balloon because it's getting too tough, and I'm gonna do it again. Squeeze. And I'm just overlapping it on that top part. And you can stop right there. Then you'd have 3 sides and 3 sides on this side. So you'd have 6 in total bubbles. Or you can keep going if you want to use up all your balloons. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull it through and just overlap the top part. And with the rest of this, I'm actually going to cut off the end, let go some air, and then I'm going to tie it. And what I want to do now is I want it to go all the way to the top point, but I'm going to pull it around the top point and actually pull it down here at the bottom so that it's more secure. And then I can just wiggle that that balloon around so that it fits nicely. And then to make that beautiful pumpkin shape, you can squish the top and bottom like that and move them around just a little bit so you have that round pumpkin shape. So there's my pumpkin body. We're gonna need a 260 green balloon, and we're gonna pump that up about a 6 to 7 finger tail because we don't need that much air in it. So usually this is about 5. We want 6 or 7, so that's my 6 or 7 finger tail. We're gonna tie that in, squeeze, stretch, and I'm gonna attach this nozzle end to the top of my pumpkin. So I usually check to see which side I like the best, and I think it's this side. So I'm gonna just pull my nozzle end through the middle, and I take it from the other side of the balloon. So I take it from the other side, and then I'll twist it around again, and I'll pull it down to the bottom, and I'll let it go. I'll squeeze and stretch this. And then we are going to make a 3-finger loop twist. So a loop twist is just a round loop, like a U shape upside down, but it's gonna be a 3-finger bubble. And twist that. And you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. That one's kind of big. So I'm gonna make the exact same size again, another 3-finger loop twist. So now I have 2, and I'm gonna make a 3rd one. Just like that. And you can make 3 or you can make 4 petals, but I'm gonna stick with 3 petals. And then you can make the stem. You can squeeze and stretch. And what I do is I make like a 4-finger bubble, and I bend it and squeeze so it has that little arch. And then I will twist right here, and I'm going to cut the rest and tie. And then I'm gonna cut this excess off. And you can always make a smaller stem if you want to, or make a big stem, or curl the stem. It's up to you. But that's your pumpkin. And you're gonna take a Sharpie marker and draw on your face. I usually go for the one that has the 3 bubbles, so that way you can add the nose. So I'm gonna start right here. And you can make whatever face you want. It could be spooky, it could be cute. It is up to you, it's your pumpkin. And there's my pumpkin face. So in total, I had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bubbles for the body. This is your pumpkin, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.